I'm back. It's Deandra, and we are back for another video. I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look before this weekend, so if anyone has any last minute plans or wants to do a soft flirty look, then this is your look. It's super simple, it's super easy, nothing out of the box. It's very straightforward, and if you get asked last minute on a hot date, then I would do this look because it's not bold. It shows you, just enhanced you, and it's just beautiful, and it's flirty, and it's pink. Day. Me and my boyfriend aren't planning on doing anything this Valentine's Day. This will be our first Valentine's Day celebrating together, so I bet we'll do something, but I don't think we're gonna go out. I am hoping we'll stay in, do like a wine, cook dinner, paint night kind of thing. That is what I'm planning and picturing in my head. I don't really want to go out with all the crowds and all the like everybody. It's just I hope everyone has a great Valentine's Day and just, yeah, spend it with your loved ones. That's all I'm gonna say about that. If you guys are interested in getting this really soft, not hard, very quick Valentine's Day makeup look, then just keep watching. We are back for another video. I'm super excited because it's a makeup look and I get to play with makeup. So far I have already applied the primer. I just picked up the Morphe Equalizer primer. It says it blurs and softens imperfections. I think it really made my skin, I don't know, really nice, I guess. Made it feel nice. I'm really excited because I picked up a new foundation. It's the Luminous foundation from Anastasia. So yeah, let's open up this bad boy. That's what the bottle looks like. And I love how it says foundation because like we all know it's a foundation, but they just feel like they gotta put it big and bold in the back, and I just think that's funny and cute, you know? Because we all know it's a foundation, but all right. And it's just so sleek, like, okay. I'm really excited because I have not played with makeup in a long time, and I haven't bought like new products. Like my last video, you see me getting ready with the Carly Bybel palette, and that's like, I beat the shit out of my makeup before I feel like I should go and get new makeup. But today, I thought it was a good time to dive into new makeup and get creative and get flirty because Valentine's Day is just around the corner and we all want to feel beautiful and we all want to feel good. So I want to do like what I'm picturing in my head is just like a very soft pinky blush look for Valentine's, just very soft and flirty and girly and glowy and beautiful. That's what I'm picturing. So let's see. I hope that this is my color because obviously you can see I'm very, 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 very pale, very light complected, whatever you want to call me. I just hope that it's not orange on me, but we'll see. I always start with my jawline and I just literally warm it up with my skin, the foundation, and then I go in with my beauty blender and I just pounce it away. Pounce it away, girl. Today is like really gloomy. I was going to wake up like super early and get the sun, but thank goodness I slept in because one, I needed it, and two, there was no sun. It's like, I like full coverage, but not where it makes me look cakey. But this actually looks really nice. It gives my skin like a glowy finish. Oh, well, it is luminous. Duh, but it does play that part. Okay, obviously. And then we gotta do the ear because, you know, we're trying to fake a tan here. And then I want to bring it down to my neck. No makeup looks like. Your girl needs makeup. Look at these imperfections. I don't know, my skin just sometimes freaks out. And then this is the side with makeup. And look at that glow. Like that natural glow it gives. So yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then we'll go into concealer because I'm really excited about the concealer. So I'll be back. I went and changed my earrings because I felt like I needed flirty, cute hoops. The only thing about getting new makeup is like doing it the first time and like hoping, fingers crossed, that it just kind of all blends together and your face doesn't look crazy. So I feel like with the foundation I can go a dark or a shade lighter. It's a little dark, but it's suitable for sensitive skin, which is good. Long wearing and no flashback, so I don't know, I was really curious about how this worked. It looks beautiful on the skin. I did put 2 layers and it just gives like a very natural, pretty glow. So I'm excited to see how it holds up. Next, I'm going to go in with this new concealer that I picked up from NYX. It's called Born to Glow. I didn't get the foundation because I already got a new foundation. So I am curious how the foundation works. But for now, we're trying the concealer. I'm like hoping that it's my shade. Let's see how it blends. It blends really smooth. I just realized that I'm using so many like luminous glow products, so I better glow for Valentine's Day. Yeah, that looks beautiful. And it blended so nicely. I'm going in with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Oh, where are we going? I really love this translucent powder. I think it really works really nicely. I think it really works really nicely. I think it works nicely. It works good. I already noticed that my face feels like I don't have a lot of product on my face, and the Smashbox, I don't know if I'm applying too much again, or I might be in a rush in the morning and right now I'm just taking my time, but I feel like the Smashbox can look really heavy on me. And right now I just feel like I'm not even wearing any makeup, but I feel full coverage, like I'm not, and it just looks beautiful on the skin. I'm looking a little pale and I need to add some color to this face. I did pick up, let me close the box and look professional. I did pick up the NYX matte bronzer. In my hand before I picked this one up, I had the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I've just been on a hunt for a new bronzer, drugstore or high-end, just a new one. Here we are, we're trying the NYX, and it's cheaper than the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil one. This one doesn't smell like chocolate, unfortunately. Here we are. I'm taking the Morphe Y1 brush. It's like a contour brush kind of thing. And I'm just going to dab it in. Let me know down below what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. If you guys have any plans. Yeah, and if you are spending it alone, maybe with family or friends. Like, I don't think Valentine's Day is just for like a boyfriend, girlfriend, boyfriend. I think it's for just sharing love for yourself, everyone that you love. I don't know. Do you even crave Valentine's Day? I don't know. I think it's really cheesy, but whatever. Here I am with a pink background doing a Valentine's Day look, so obviously I'm adding to that cheesiness, but get these baby hairs out of the way. Who else has tons of baby hairs? I mean, they're cute sometimes, but not really. Like, I never really... I love how now a lot of people are like, I don't know, styling their baby hairs, so they make like little curls and stuff. I think that's cute, but I don't have like a team to get me ready like that, so I don't think it would be cute if I did it, so no. We're not even gonna go there. I remember my granny, she had her little blush from CoverGirl, and it had a little like thingy, and she would call it rouge, and she would like put it on. I think it is called rouge. Is it? I don't know. Or did I just make that up? I'm not sure, but I just know it's been a thing for a long time. It's like a staple to your face, and it just hasn't been to mine, but I'm trying, so here we are. I hope this setup is decent. I kind of just threw it together. I'm sitting on the floor right now, and yeah, I feel like my background's a little dark, like it should be more lit up, but I can work on it. Why isn't this coming out? It looks really rosy and blushy and cherry and pink and beautiful, so I'm just... Do you see a difference? People say it like finishes off the bronzer. Like, it just kind of blends beautifully with the bronzer. I picked up a KKW lip liner. This is my first time picking up from her whole entire line, so I'm super excited. I got NUDE, and there was no lipsticks. There was barely any lip liners. Everything is like picked out and sold. So congrats to Kim Kardashian. I love the nude sleekness that Kim Kardashian has with her brand. It's just gorgeous. And I love me a nude lip. I love lip liners because they make me look like I have bigger lips than I really do. They just make my lips look a lot fuller and more plump. I would just wear this and nothing else. This nude is perfect. Like, do you see how I just kind of plumped up my lips and made them look more juicy, you know? Because it just made me look like I just got lip injections, and I really didn't. I just put on lip liner. That's why I love makeup, because it just enhances your freaking beauty. So I also picked up a brow gel. How cute is this packaging? So I think the packaging sold me because I thought it was cute, and I'm gonna keep it in this box because I bought it for the box, and here we are. I did pick up the Revolution Pro. This is their new neutral luxe shadow palette. It comes in this cute gold packaging with leopard. Isn't that cute? This Revolution, like I said, their brand they have cute stuff, guys. There was like this palette that was like spacey, and it had like the stars and stuff. It was so freaking cute. I was looking at that one, but this one really was like, pick me because I am Valentine's, and I am flirty, and I'm cute, and I'm soft, and I am pink. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna pick you. But their palettes are amazing. Look at this huge mirror, the size of my palm, and I love big mirrors, especially when I'm going out of town. Exactly what I'm talking about when I was envisioning this look. So I picked up this palette. I believe it was $20. So I thought that was really good for all these beautiful, because you're getting mattes and you're getting glitters and you're getting even 2 chunky glitters. It's just a gorgeous freaking palette. So I want to see how good their eyeshadows work and how pigmented they are. I also picked up the ColourPop Blush Crush palette. Again, I thought this was super cute. It even said blush. This one was $14, and it just has the soft, pretty pale pinks that I'm really craving for this Valentine's Day. So. And I just kind of added it. I really liked that neutral, so I just added it to the whole lid, just so that whatever color I do use, it kind of just makes the color pop. I did pick up a new blending brush from Morphe, because my blending brush I've had for years, and it's an amazing brush, but the bristles have gotten like hard and rough, and it starts to hurt. So we're not doing that anymore. So I bought the Morphe M535. It's just a fluffy crease. I'm gonna go in with Whisper. It's just like a really soft brown color. Wow, I love that color. It's just soft and it's pretty. I'm gonna go also in with Karma. It's just a soft blushy color, and it has some pink in it, and I'm just gonna kind of darken up the crease with that softly, just kind of going back and forth and just adding more color. Zoned. It's more of a deeper blush color. I don't know. Basically, I'm just kind of adding to this color, just really making it soft and blushy. Jazz it up. It's like this really pretty shimmery color. Wow. I zoomed you guys in because I really wanted you to see the beautiful pink. Gosh. I'm going to take Magic, and I'm also just going to add that on top. I'm gonna go in with Pop Bottle, and I'm just going to add that. It's a pretty like iridescent color. I'm just gonna add that to my brow bone. Colourpop pencil that I got, and it's called Brink. It's matte, and I'm just gonna put that onto my lips. It has a little bit of pink. It's more on the blush mauve tone that we're going for. I'm just kind of patting it on. I'm gonna go put on mascara. I'm gonna use the Bad Gal Bang mascara. I've used this for like 2 years now, a year, I don't even know. I love this mascara, and I always run out and I rebuy it because it makes my lashes amazing. I don't even need falsies because it just makes them look super good. Let them dry, and then I kind of separate them because sometimes they can just get a little too crazy. If you watch any of my previous videos, I talk about that mascara like it's mine, like I created it. It's just amazing. It's everything I want in a mascara. It's so dark and it makes my lashes so long. It's just, and I haven't picked up a new highlighter in a really long time. I think the last highlighter I picked up was the Anastasia one. Amrezy came out with it. It was like a super gold, very pretty black packaging, and that one, if I showed it to you now, it looks beat up. I'm trying out already all kinds of new products. I thought it was like perfect. I need a highlighter, so I picked up the Kylie highlighter. I got it in the shade Cheers Darling, and it just looks like this. It's just like a really pretty gold. I feel like gold really complements my skin tone, and it looks really pretty. I think I'm gonna do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this flirty, soft Valentine's Day makeup look. And yeah, until next time, don't forget to like it, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff that everyone does. And if you show love, I will definitely show love back. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good week and a good Valentine's Day with your loved ones. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.